Don't you wish getting unready was this easy? Girl, I wish. So let's just take it from the top. Let's drop off this holiday shopping and tidy up my home for the next day. I just love waking up to a clean space. So before we go to sleep every night, I like to do the dishes, wash the counters. I love this lavender counter cleaner from Safely. Hi, Kris Jenner. Now let's slip into something a little more comfortable. I love these set pajamas from LILYSILK. I love relaxing and sleeping in silk because it's just so silky soft and it just feels like luxury on your skin. So this LILYSILK, their silk is made differently and it's skin friendly, breathable, and thermal regulating and lightweight. LILYSILK is also committed to a zero waste production process, and their fabric remains are used to make accessories such as silk eye masks and scrunchies. For the holidays, LILYSILK offers both gift box style packaging like the one you see here, and envelope bag packaging as well. So if you're feeling a little more festive, maybe wearing something to a holiday party, I also love this silk set. Beyond clothing, LILYSILK also offers their Lily Soft pillowcases, and their silk is just softer and more elastic than the common silk. Mulberry silk is highly moisturizing and can reduce your hair dryness, so I just wake up with smoother hair in the morning. My hair is less tangly, less friction. Also, another plus is due to the really soft and smooth surface of the silk, I wake up with less of those sleep marks on my face, and I just feel like it's just better for my skin overall. Use code LN12 for 12% off site-wide at LILYSILK. Then as I begin to wind down for the evening, I like to switch my phone to night mode to dim the screen to a warmer hue, so I limit my blue light exposure before bed. Now, let's get a vibe going. You know your girl loves to set the atmosphere and mood with music, and Spotify has a great curated list, and 'tis the season, so soft holiday jazz it is. That's more like it. Now this is the part I was talking about. I wish it was easier to get unready, but here we go. We're gonna start by removing my makeup and washing my face. So I've been using this Pharmacy Green Clean forever, and it is so amazing. As you can see, I wear liquid liner, I wear concealer or a foundation, and this just takes everything off. It just turns from solid into an oil-based cleanser. And then I recently started using this Tata Harper softening cleanser, and it's really good if you have sensitive skin, and I just love how just soft it leaves my skin afterwards. Now, before we hop into the shower, I'm gonna do dry brushing, and I really love it. It's really good for blood flow and just exfoliating. Okay, and now we're gonna hop in the shower. Then on to one of my favorites, skincare. I love this Tatcha essence to hydrate and prep my skin for my next skincare steps. And then this Summer Fridays one is really great for hydrating the skin, and I feel like because it's winter, my skin has been so dry, so this has been real amazing. I just did a big order at True Botanicals, and their products are so incredible. And this one is just a vitamin C under eye cream. I use it in the morning and evening, and it just brightens up your eyes and leaves it nice and awake, even though I'm going to bed. And then I'm using this Tatcha water cream. This is actually kind of like a gel-like cream, but it does hydrate really well. I feel like once I'm done with this though, I probably will switch over something a little bit thicker just because it's winter, but I really have been loving this one. It's really lightweight and it hydrates really beautifully. This oil right here is what got me on True Botanicals. It is this Pure Radiance oil, and it is just delightful on your skin. It leaves your skin glowing, so hydrated. And also it has this ginger smell that I actually really like. It reminds me of like my childhood and like Korean skincare products, but this one's amazing. Of course, during these winter months, but also just all year round, I always use a lip sleeping mask. And I like this Tatcha one. I just make sure to really lather it all over my lips before I go to sleep. And don't forget to hydrate your body. I love Necessaire products. Like, I've been through so many tubes of this body lotion and it is super moisturizing. I like this one too because it has no fragrance. And one of my favorite things to do is also just making a really warm cup of tea. I usually just use something that's non-caffeinated. This is just a peppermint tea. It's just so soothing and it's so relaxing, and I really just adore hot tea before bed. It's really important for me to have an effective and relaxing evening routine just to help me wind down, because sometimes by the end of the evening I feel like I have so much on my mind. I've made so many decisions, I'm kind of worn down. So this is a really great way just to recharge for the next day. And then I set my room temperature between 67 to 69 degrees for that best sleep quality. It sounds kind of cold, but it's actually really great for optimal sleep. And then I turn on my Dyson humidifier / air purifier. And this is really good too, because again, the air gets a little bit drier, so it's just nice having this humidifier when we sleep. Now let's do a little turn down service for myself, shall we? Not only do I love a set of silk pajamas, but I've been using silk pillowcases for years. I cannot tell you how much I love it. First of all, I love the cool touch on my skin. It's also great for anti-allergy, it's skin friendly, it's anti-aging, and it's healthy hair benefits because your hair tangles less. So truly, silk pillowcases are the last step in my skincare routine. These LILYSILK pillowcases are premium silk and softer and more elastic than common silk. And also, if you have sensitive skin, these products are marked dye-free and colorless. And then while I sip my tea and just truly unwind for the day, I would turn the lights down and then just do a joy journal entry, which is a great time to really reflect on the day. And again, just slowly start shutting it down. And with that, that is my evening wind down routine. Good night, and I'll see you guys on the next.